morning, campers. Welcome back. We are on Interstate 35 southbound in northern Texas. Mile 488. We're near just south of Gainesville? Gainesview? Gainsburg? I don't know. We're headed for the Wal-Mart DC in Sanger. So, yeah. We got ourselves a nice loaded JB Hunt trailer. I got my wiper blade fixed properly, beyond my roadside fix. It did not last the whole day, my roadside repair. So, we've also obtained a socket wrench that properly fits on the on that bolt, on the nut that you need to tighten if the wiper gets loose like that again. So we will be able to fix that ourselves, and I won't need to ask for help at a Kenworth dealership in Olathe. Not that I mind, because I like the Kenworth dealership in Olathe. It's an MHC Kenworth, and they've helped me out in the past with some other PACCAR trucks that I've driven. And and they're more than willing to just put you at the front of the line if you give them enough money. It's great. I love places like that. Though it's always heartbreaking going into any truck dealership right now after new models have been released. So Peterbilt or Kenworth have both just released their next gen versions of the 579 and the T680 respectively. Because every time you go into a dealership, you see ones that have been wrecked already. It's just like, oh, my heart. Brand spanking new T680 next gen with the bumper ripped off was sitting in that parking lot yesterday. Oh, you're gonna be a problem. I got nowhere to go, buddy. Brake. All right. Thanks, I guess. I maybe could have thrown myself into that gap there and cut off the white truck, but I don't know that would have been better than just hitting the brakes. All right, cruise control back on. There we go. Ooh, that was a little bit of a rough takeover. Yeah, so we've got, it was a receipt just fell off of my table. Not my table, my clipboard. My clipboard, all of my documents appear to have come unclipped. That's not great. It is important that the documents remain clipped on the clipboard. Sinclair, why aren't you doing your job? You've got one job, and that's to be a paperweight. So yeah, relatively uneventful day after we got the repair done yesterday. We were a couple minutes late to the pickup because I had to stop and redo the wiper a couple of times because it was raining all afternoon. But we got the load picked up. They didn't care that we were late, so it was fine. JB Hunt might care, but we'll see. We're delivering this part nice and early, so I don't think they'll complain. Especially since it was a mechanical issue. Not really anything I could do about it. And I've got logs to back me up. Logs to back me up. So yeah, once we get down to the Wal-Mart distribution center, I thought about trying to pop back up here to this 19 and park here. 19 is a Pilot affiliated truck stop, but there's a Love's with actual proper bobtail parking another 10 miles south of here, so we're probably going to go there, assuming I don't get to keep the trailer, because why would I get to keep the trailer? So far my experience with JB Hunt has been everybody needs JB Hunt trailers, so they never let you keep one. And then you have to go on a wild goose chase to find a new empty. Which, so far, usually has been at Frito-Lay. I've twice been sent to a Frito-Lay facility for an empty JB Hunt trailer, so I don't know what's going on with Frito. Or why they have so many empties that they're not using. It's happened in 2 different cities so far. But just from the quick glance I took at the list of nearby nearby loads. I don't think we're going to be doing a JB Hunt load out of here. I haven't booked it yet because I'm kind of low on hours, so we're going to be taking the rest of today off. And it's with power-only loads, you get way better rates if you're booking stuff like 24 hours in advance rather than 2 or 3 days in advance, because people are desperate to get their stuff moved. So we're probably going to hold off on booking a load until later tonight or tomorrow morning and see what we can get. I figure this close to the Dallas area, we'll probably get a power-only, either an empty trailer move or some kind of loadout trailer going to California, maybe, or Salt Lake City, ideally. I need to swing by home.
1.5 miles. Take exit 480, Lowe's Road.
All right, Lowe's Road. We need to swing by home soon to pick up some paperwork and my New York HUT permit, my HUT sticker. I've got the permit. I don't have the sticker. We need that. And oh, and also my toll transponder. Yeah, I had to pay cash for the Kansas Turnpike because I don't have my toll. I don't have my best pass yet. That is our warehouse on the left. Let's get the cruise control off. Go ahead and downshift to 9th. This truck has a really tall 9th gear. We're only at 1400 RPM at 55 mile an hour. This might not be quite the right one.
In a half mile, take exit 480, Lowe's Road and Ann. Take the entrance to the right in 0.4 miles.
Quite all right. We're just popping out to the frontage road a little bit early there. Oh, I moved too soon. That is a big warehouse.
0.2 miles. Take exit 480. Lowe's Road and Ann. Take the entrance to the right in 0.4 miles.
Alright, I'm already on the frontage road. The GPS hasn't figured that out yet. Don't cross the double white, no problem. How do I get up to that bridge? Lowe's Road, west. I need east. Yeah, I need east. Oh, okay, I see it now.
In a quarter a mile, take the entrance to the right on I-35 North and then turn left in 960 feet.
Oh, actually, maybe not. Maybe, no, I think this is, yeah, this works. Yeah, this works. There's a turnaround further down we could have done. Here. Ground that just a tiny bit, and we're all right.
In 700 feet, turn left on North I-35 and Ann. Turn right in 430 feet.
Yeah, I see the Wal-Mart trucks now. Up and over. Oh, looks like they're finally going to build a truck stop here. That's cool. I don't recognize the building design. That doesn't look like it'll be very big though. Hi, are you going to go fast enough to get in front of me, or are you just going to stop?
Around.
Alright, I guess you'll stop. That's alright. That's what yield signs are for. GPS is very confused. I stopped at the Texas Welcome Center to investigate the entrance for this facility, so we did not miss it. Railroad tracks. Start braking. Bring it down to 6 and then 5. Oh, missed it. facility utilize. All right. I'll see you all when we leave.